797 Heritage Vista. I parked right around that corner there. Some apartments over here. So I would think you can park here. This is your little courtyard area. This is the back of the house. This is a garage. Some space-saving storage. Obviously the washer and dryer is in the garage. The cabinets look okay. You need some touch-up. Need a full-size fridge. Those French doors lead to the courtyard that we saw outside. Laminate flooring, vaulted ceilings. We have this little greenhouse sort of thing built off of another slider. And another door here. Very interesting. Okay. That's a lot of doors to rekey. So you have the garage door, the garage from the garage, the door from the garage into the house, the screen door out by the front, this screen door, this door, and then that's a slider. Okay, so we don't have a door here.